Hey, do you live in Nigeria and you want to make tons of money? Well, I know I have some subscribers in Nigeria, so I figured I'd do a video of how you can make internet money even if you live in Nigeria. And I'm going to show you 4 internet millionaires on my Facebook who I'm friends with who live in Nigeria and are just absolutely crushing it. So check this stuff out. Let's get it. So I'm going to show you a few internet business opportunities you can take advantage of and start earning real money with, even if you live in Nigeria, which is like I don't know, it's a crazy country. There's a lot of people there. I know I have some subscribers on my YouTube channel who requested this video. So I'm going to show you a few different affiliate networks you can use to start earning money with if you live in Nigeria. And I'm also going to expose you to 4 internet millionaires that you can follow on Facebook that are making just a ton of money, and they're living in Nigeria, probably living like princes. So let's go to my computer, and I'm going to show you a few different affiliate networks that will accept people from Nigeria. Okay, so check this out. Come over here. So here we are on JVZoo, okay? JVZoo.com. This is an affiliate network where you can sign up to be an affiliate, and it says begin your journey right here. And you can sign up there to be an affiliate marketer, and they will accept people from Nigeria, and you can find a ton of products, thousands of products in which to sell. JVZoo is one of the places you can sign up to sell products. Now, if we look, we can find products in their marketplace right here, and you'll see there's just an absolute ton of products which you can sell as a Nigerian, okay, to markets all over the world. Now, the second affiliate network I'm going to show you to is called A4D, which stands for Ads for Dough, because most of their affiliate marketers place ads online for making money, okay, for dough. This is great. What you want to do if you want to sign up is you want to go over here, click Partners, okay, and clicking Partners will get you, will allow you to sign up as an affiliate. See, it's more than a network, it's a partnership with our affiliates. Now, one thing to keep in mind is you will need some experience for ads for dough, but what you can do, and you need to be referred by someone, but what you can do is you can use my name only if you're not gonna take up the time of the affiliate managers. Now, keep in mind, affiliate managers, when you join these networks, are paid only if you're making money. So asking them questions before you're making money doesn't really make much sense, but you can get access to the offers. So what I ask is, if you are serious about affiliate marketing and you want to use this network, feel free to use me as a reference, but don't ask questions of your affiliate manager until you're making them money, okay? Now, this third affiliate network that I'm gonna show you is a really cool one. It's called Above All Offers. I've made a ton of money with this CPA network as well, and you can sign up as an affiliate right here. The thing about Above All Offers is, once again, you will need to be more of an experienced affiliate to sign up for there. Or if you're not experienced, do not ask your affiliate managers any questions whatsoever until you are making them money. Again, you will get booted from their network and you won't be able to use my name as a referral anywhere if you sign up and you start badgering your affiliate managers with questions. Again, they're only paid if you are making money. They're paid a percentage of your commissions. So be cognizant of that, but you can join these networks as affiliate marketers. The easiest one to get started with as a Nigerian is going to be JVZoo. They accept people from around the world, and you can sign up immediately to start promoting products. And the millionaires, the 4 Nigerian millionaires that I'm going to show to you, these guys are crushing it, okay? So they're all working on JVZoo's platform. Let's check them out. These are guys I'm friends with on Facebook. So here we go. This guy's a boss. His name is Precious. I can't even pronounce some of these names, but his name's Precious, okay? And Precious NGW, and that's him right there. Internet millionaire, super badass guy. He's flashy with his money. He has houses and all that jazz, and he helps people. He also helps fellow Nigerians make money online. You can learn more about him. Just search his name or something. Again, I'm not going to share their profile links, but you can search them in Facebook, okay? Here's another guy, can't pronounce his name, Akpo Medai Victory, okay? And another Nigerian internet millionaire, kicking ass, doing his thing, whatever. So another guy right here, Nigerian. Here's another Nigerian internet millionaire. His name is Daisy Joseph. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right. Badass dude, works with JV Zoo to make lots of money online. And the last person I'm going to introduce you to is Ope Bonwo II. Sorry if I'm butchering these Nigerian names, but he runs the Africa Business Internet Summit. And I guess he just did I'm looking at his Facebook profile, and he has a couple other Nigerian internet marketers here, and he lives a pretty cool life. He's got a good taste in fashion and absolutely killing it online. Super businessman right there. So if you're Nigerian and you're looking to make money online, you won't be able to sign up with ClickBank, which is my main affiliate network. That's the one I use. I make hundreds of thousands of dollars per month with ClickBank. But that being said, Nigerians have a lot of opportunities to make money. I've showed you some millionaires. Internet marketing is huge in Nigeria. And I've shown you a few millionaires right here. You could follow them on Facebook. Just add them and see what they're up to, see what they're recommending, see what they're doing to help you along in your journey. And I gave you a few different affiliate networks. I showed you JV Zoo, Ads for Dough, and Above All Offers, which are networks you can start with to make money online. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give me a big fat like. If it didn't, you suck. If there's something you'd like to see me teach about in the future, leave a message in the comments below of what topic you'd like to see me talk about. I've made millions of dollars in my internet business without having any employees whatsoever, and you can too. And just let me know what you'd like to see me talk about in the comments. Subscribe to my channel and talk to you soon.